Most men believe attraction begins with what's visible: a haircut, an outfit, a perfect moment. But that belief keeps them ordinary. The truth? Attraction begins inside you, in your energy, before anyone even notices you. A magnetic man doesn't stand out because he's the best looking. He stands out because his presence shifts the atmosphere. A magnetic man is a feeling. Women feel him before they understand him. Men respect him before they talk to him. And today you'll learn the first half of the internal blueprint that creates that presence. This is not manipulation. This is not game. This is identity. 1. Enter without hesitation. Decisive energy creates attraction. Hesitation kills masculine presence. Every time you wait, overthink, or doubt yourself, you weaken the signal your energy sends into the world. A magnetic man enters a room with a different aura, not trying too hard, not rushing, not shrinking. He moves with calm decisiveness. Most men enter a room like they want to disappear. A magnetic man enters like he belongs. He walks slower. He looks around with ease. He doesn't avoid eyes. He welcomes connection. And when he approaches someone, he doesn't recite pickup lines. He keeps it simple, clean, grounded. Magnet code opener? Hey, I don't think we've met yet. I'm Wilmer. This is enough because it's confident, it's human, it's natural, and it's low pressure. Decisiveness is masculine. Masculinity is attractive. 2. Treat everything as play. Emotional stability is magnetic. Here's a truth most men never understand. Women fall for emotionally grounded men, not perfect men. When someone teases the average man, he gets defensive, insecure, reactive. But a magnetic man, he smiles. He knows that 80% of social tension isn't real tension. It's energy, testing, curiosity, and play. He treats everything lightly. A tease becomes a joke. A test becomes a challenge. A comment becomes banter. He doesn't lose control of his emotions. He doesn't rush to defend himself. He leads the energy with warmth and confidence. Example magnet code responses. Relax, don't make me blush in public. Or, cold, but smooth. I'll let it slide. No tension, no insecurity, only presence. Emotional stability is rare, and rarity is irresistible. 3. Push and pull. The rhythm that creates chemistry. Attraction thrives on contrast. If you're too nice, boring. If you're too cold, intimidating. If you're too predictable, forgettable. A magnetic man switches between push, which is teasing, and pull, which is complimenting. This combination creates emotional electricity. It makes a woman feel alive around you. Example magnet code. Push. Don't act innocent. You definitely enjoy attention. Pull. But honestly, your vibe is really calming. It's refreshing. This is how chemistry is created. The push builds tension. The pull builds connection. Together they create desire. A man who can tease without disrespect and compliment without being needy becomes unforgettable. 4. Dangerous honesty. Truth is more attractive than perfection. Most men lie because they want to be liked, but women can feel dishonesty immediately. What they rarely experience is a man who is grounded, honest, confident, and unafraid to say the truth. Truth delivered with warmth becomes magnetic. Example. Question. What's your type? Most men. I don't know. I guess you. A magnetic man. Dark hair, soft voice, strong mind. Simple, clean, unapologetic. This type of honesty hits different because it communicates, I'm not desperate. I know myself. I don't need to impress you. I speak my truth without fear. Truth is bold. Bold is attractive.
5. Detachment. You're not seeking, you're selecting. Here's the brutal truth. Attraction collapses the moment you need someone. Neediness is invisible, but women feel it instantly. The over-texting, the waiting by the phone, the over-explaining, the fear of losing her, the eagerness to impress, the availability without boundaries. A magnetic man is different. He is full inside. He has goals. He has discipline. He has a mission. He has momentum. He has a life that moves forward with or without her. He isn't searching for a woman to complete him. He's open to one joining his path, but only if she aligns with it. This is why his presence feels so calm, because he's not reacting to her energy. He's evaluating it. He doesn't ask, does she like me? He asks, does she add to my life? This shift transforms your aura. You speak slower, you move with more intention, your eyes soften but remain focused, your voice lowers naturally, because you're not performing, you're not chasing, you're not trying to impress, you're simply existing in your purpose and letting the world orbit around that purpose. Women find this irresistible because it signals the highest masculine trait, emotional self-reliance. You don't need someone, and that's why people want you. 6. Standards beyond beauty. You attract what you are. Beauty is powerful, but it's not enough. A man whose only standard is physical beauty becomes easy to manipulate, easy to control, and easy to replace. A magnetic man looks deeper. He evaluates her emotional stability, her kindness, her respect, her consistency, her values, her feminine energy, her willingness to give, not just receive. Because he knows a beautiful face means nothing if her presence steals your peace. Most men say yes to any pretty woman because they lack options. Not you. You're building yourself. You're leveling up. You're becoming a man of value. Your time, attention, and presence become expensive. You no longer chase beauty. Beauty chases you. Because you represent something rarer. A man with standards. A man who chooses. A man who filters. A man who protects his inner world. This is what creates your aura of mystery. People wonder why you're so calm, why you're so selective, why you don't react, why you don't rush. It's because you're not trying to impress anyone. You're trying to protect your kingdom. And a king never gives anyone the key to his kingdom just because she's pretty. Closing. The rise of your magnetic identity. If you apply these habits, even lightly, your presence will change. Your walk will slow, your posture will improve, your eyes will sharpen, your voice will deepen, your energy will stabilize. You will become the kind of man who doesn't chase, he attracts, doesn't react, he directs, doesn't beg, he chooses, doesn't perform, he is. The magnet code is not a trick. It's not a technique. It's an identity, a way of moving,
a way of speaking, a way of seeing yourself. A man who is grounded, self-led, calm, purpose-driven, selective, emotionally solid, and impossible to ignore. This is the new version of you. Not louder, not flashier, not more aggressive. Just more you, refined, centered, present, magnetic. Welcome to the Magnet Code.